In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a slide in Google Slides. Whether you're simplifying your presentation or correcting a mistake, deleting slides is a necessary skill for anyone working with Google Slides. Let's walk through a couple of methods that make this process easy and intuitive. First, let's start by opening your presentation. Once your presentation is open, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This panel displays all the slides in your presentation in a sequential order. The first method involves interacting with this panel directly. Simply click on the slide that you want to remove. After selecting the slide, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click the selected slide to open a drop-down menu where you can select the option labeled Delete. This instantly removes the slide from your presentation, and it's as simple as that. Now let's move on to the second method, which uses the slide menu, another straightforward option. First, click on the slide you wish to delete, making sure it's highlighted. Then navigate to the top menu where you'll find the option labeled Slide. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Delete Slide from this list. This will remove the slide, effectively keeping your presentation neat and concise. An important note with both methods is that the rest of your slides will seamlessly reorder themselves, keeping your presentation layout intact. Mistakes can happen to anyone, and sometimes you might accidentally delete the wrong slide. Don't worry, Google Slides has got you covered. If you do delete a slide by mistake and need to retrieve it, simply press Ctrl+Z on a Windows computer or CMD+Z on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut is your undo command. It reverses your last action, in this case, the deletion of your slide, thus bringing it right back into your presentation. This helpful trick also underscores why frequent saving isn't necessary in Google Slides, as changes are saved automatically, yet easily undone. And there you have it. 2 simple methods to delete slides in Google Slides, plus a quick way to recover them if the need arises. With these tools at your disposal, managing your presentation becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus more on the storytelling and less on the technicalities. Feel free to pause, rewind, or replay any section of this video to ensure you're perfectly comfortable with these processes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy presenting!